How to insert page number from specific page. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open Word and then go to Insert. After that, go to page number, drag down, and now go to Format Page Numbers. And over here, add the page number from which you want to start from. Select the number format, select OK, and now if you will see, there will be a page number from the third page. If you cannot find it, you will have to do it like this. Now you can see the page number is added. But if you want to make it A instead of C but in the third page, select this, and yes, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.